Chapter 8. Python and Introduction. Python is an object-oriented, interpreted, high-level programming language. It makes the development and debugging of programs fast because there is no compilation step included. In Python, development and edit test debug cycle is very fast. History of Python. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in December 1989 at CWI in Netherlands. Van Rossum published the code to alt sources in 1991. Python 1.0 was released with new features. Python 2.0 added new features. Python 3.0, also called PY3K, was released in December 2008. It was designed to rectify fundamental flaws in the language. Features of Python. Python is most popular programming language and it has various features. Some of them are given below. It is easy to learn and understand. The syntax of Python is simple. It is an open source language and available on internet without any charges. It is portable language so that program can run on various platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. It has large libraries and supporting tools to make tasks easy. It is an interpreted language that executes code line by line at a time, which makes debugging hassle-free. It is an extensible language so it can be extended to other languages. When an object is created in Python, memory is dynamically allocated to it. Download and install Python. To download Python, follow the given steps. 1. Open any web browser. 2. Type URL https://www.python.org/downloads/ in the address bar. 3. Now press Enter key from the keyboard. 4. The official website of Python will open. Now click on the button. 5. After downloading the Python setup file, run it to install. Working with Python. After installing and setting up Python, we will use IDLE to create and execute Python programs. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. It is the most well-known graphics-based development environment that allows us to create, compile, and run Python programs. To start IDLE, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Scroll to find letter P and click on the IDLE option from the list. The Python shell window will open where we can type a Python code and view the output in the same window. Before starting coding in Python, let's understand the two different modes of it. They are interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode. You can type code in the Python shell window that is executed one line at a time. In the shell window, the sign appears where you can type your code and then press the Enter key. Components of interactive mode. Let's learn the components of interactive mode window. Title bar, menu bar, prompt, status bar. Menu bar. It contains various menus like File, Edit, Shell, Debug, Options, Window, and Help. Title bar. It shows the name of application and document. Prompt is called prompt. It means computer is ready for your instructions. Status bar. It shows the current status of your cursor on the window. Now let us write commands in interactive mode and see the output. Script mode. The script mode of IDLE saves the commands programs entered by the user, whereas interactive mode does not save the commands programs. Now create a new file in the script mode and write the code. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Create a new file. To create a new file, follow the given steps. 1. Type idle in the search bar to open the Python IDLE window. 2. Click on the File menu from the menu bar. 3. Click on the New File option. A new file will open on the computer screen. Write a program. Type the given code in the Python window. Save a program. To save a Python program, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Select the Save option. 3. Select the desired location to save the file. 4. Give the desired name of the file in the File Name box. 5. Click on the Save button to save file. The file extension of Python is .py. Run a program. To run a Python program, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Run option from the menu bar. 2. Click on Run module option. Output of the Python program. Variables in Python. When you store something like food, you need a jar or container to place the food. Similarly, in Python, if you need to store values in computer's memory, then you need variables. In simple words, variables refer to memory locations where you store values that can later be accessed or changed. A variable can only contain one value of data at a time. When you assign a new value to a variable, the previous one is automatically overwritten. Assign values to a variable. To assign value to a variable, we use assignment is equal to operator. For example, a is equal to 60. In this statement, value 60 is assigned to variable a. Now look at some more examples. X is equal to 25. Value 25 is assigned to the variable x. Y is equal to 30. Value 30 is assigned to the variable y. Z is equal to x plus y. The numbers are added and the value is assigned to the variable z. That is 55 is assigned to the variable z. Naming and convention of a variable. You should follow the given rules to create a variable. A variable name should start with a letter or underscore. Variable name cannot start with a number. Variable names cannot contain any special character or symbol. Only alphanumeric characters, alphabet and numbers, and underscore are permitted. In variable names are case sensitive. Means age are different variable names. The print function. The print function is used to show the output or other output device on the computer screen. For example, you can also pass more than one argument in the print function. These arguments are separate by using comma. For example, the input function. The input function is used to take input value for a variable from the user. For example, practice with Python. Program 1. Write a Python program to let the user input the names of your father and mother. Program 2. Write a Python program to print the name of the President of India and Prime Minister of India. Program 3. Write a Python program to subtract the numbers. Output. In summary, Python is an object-oriented, interpreted, high-level programming language. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum December 1989 at CWI in Netherlands. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. You can type code in the Python shell window that is executed one line at a time. The script mode of IDLE saves the commands programs entered by the user, whereas interactive mode does not save the commands programs. Variables refer to memory locations where you store values that can later be accessed or changed. The print function is used to show the output, which is entered by the user on the computer's screen. The input function is used to take input value for a variable from the user.